Very, very okay. Please subscribe.
Welcome to my channel, very okay. Today I decided to make a delicious pumpkin, yes, acorn squash in the oven with cheese. This is so delicious, so good. But first, I would like to ask you to subscribe, thumbs up, and let's work. This is my pumpkin. You have to remove the seeds with a spoon. Using the spoon is gonna be more easy, okay? And it's super easy to make this recipe. If you want, you can remove the skin. But first, I'm gonna slice about the same size, okay? Just be careful with the knife. And there's a lot of vitamins. So I'm gonna prepare my pan to steam it. I'm gonna add my pumpkin here because I'm gonna cook. You have to cook before you put in the oven, okay? When it starts to boil it, I'm gonna cook for 6 minutes, okay? And after cook it, you reserve. Now I'm gonna prepare my tomato sauce, which is gonna be this one with a special flavor. I'm gonna add here 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. And this tomato sauce, I don't need to cook, okay? I'm gonna add some water to mix, and this is gonna be the texture. I have here toasted garlic to give me a special flavor, and this is optional. I really like garlic, that's why I'm gonna add about half of teaspoon of toasted garlic. Now I'm gonna add some black pepper and salt according to your preference, okay? I'm gonna mix everything. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. It's unflavored. And after mix it, you reserve. Now I'm gonna prepare my pumpkins, but before, I'm gonna make a layer with my tomato sauce. And now I'm gonna add my pumpkin. You can see the texture, it's al dente. So it's not melted, okay? The texture is good. I'm not gonna remove the skin, but if you want, you can remove the skin. Yes, I can eat this skin because the taste, it's okay. And now I'm gonna add my tomato sauce. This is super good. It's very okay. Subscribe, thumbs up, and follow me. Delicious food only here. Very okay. Now I'm gonna add more salt because normally this pumpkin, the taste is a little bit sweet. I'm gonna spread the tomato sauce. And now one of the secrets is cheese. Yes, I have here mozzarella cheese to put on the top, and this will give me an extra flavor. You add the cheese that you like it according to your preference. I'm gonna add enough to cover all my pumpkins here. And now let's put in the oven. I'm gonna adjust my oven here, 1/8, 5 minutes. Just enough to melt the cheese. Okay, now my pumpkin is ready. Yes, it's ready to eat. You can see that the cheese is melted. This is very delicious, very okay. For the final process, I'm gonna add some oregano on the top, and this is super good. I love oregano. You can see the texture. This is super good. I really recommend this recipe. You have to try this one. It's super delicious. Very okay. Subscribe, follow me, thumbs up. Thank you very much, and see you soon.
Very okay. Please subscribe.
Are you tired about your routine? Are you constantly feeling stress? Do you want to have more equilibrium to have a better quality of life? I have something special for you. The Ultimate Craft Design Organite course. Discover the potential that you have to create beautiful gems, pyramids, pendants, anklets, and there's more. I selected some ebooks for you to download as a PDF format. The Ultimate Craft Design Organite course. All tools that it's necessary for you to create beautiful gems.